this time ito po sa ating President ng ating Colegio de Santa Catalina de Sena Alumni Association. So let's give a hand to Mrs. Emma Alon Marfil.
To our faculty and administrator of Santa Catalina College, to my fellow Catalinians, to the guests, isang magandang gabi po. Ako po si Emma. By the way, ako po ay kapatid ni Nesitas Alon, ang classmate ko po. So, bakit pala siya dito ay still represented. First of all, I would like to thank the organizers of this reunion and of course batch 78 for inviting the officers of the Alumni Association, Santa Catalina Alumni Association, to join to celebrate with you this momentous occasion. Alam ko po na talagang ang reunion ay napakasaya. But the real essence of the reunion is to reminisce our happy days. It's not to know who we are now, but what we were before. So, kaya po, I hope you will enjoy the night. Talaga pong, we will be looking forward to more reunions. Kanina po, sinabi ni Bing na you are on the 2/3 of your lives. Kasi po, 46 na ba kayo ngayon? Most of you are 46. Kami po, batch 71. So, paano po kaya kami? Siguro 3/4 na lang. And we're looking forward to our 40th reunion sa 2011. Sana po ang iba ay makadalo. Grand reunion din po siguro po talaga at masusuportahan ko ng aming, as usual, yung aming po kaklaseng si Congressman, Commissioner Roy Almoro. Sa gabi pong ito, ang isa din pong purpose, kaya po kami ay naririto through the invitation of one of the officers of the association, is for you to know that the association is still or is already active. To give you a little background of how this association came about, noon pong time of Rudin Gonzales and Ernesto Mercado, and of course our teacher, Ms. Versosa, nag-form po sila ng foundation, Alumni Foundation, and it is called Colegio de Santa Catalina College Alumni Foundation Inc. Through the years, naging aktibo po ito. Pero for one reason or another, hindi po natin alam kung bakit medyo naging inactive. Maaari po, some were gone, some went abroad. Kaya po, noong 2007, in preparation for our Diamond Jubilee celebration, because our school is already on its Diamond Jubilee, nag-start na po tayo on the 65th year. So, nasa Diamond Jubilee year na po tayo. Sister Soledad, siguro po naging teacher niyo naman si Sister Sol. Nagkita po kami noon sa Santa for our reunion, and I was very glad at nagulat po ako na bumalik po si Sister Sol sa atin. And it all started there. Kinamusta po ni Sister kung existing po ang alumni, at napag-alaman po namin through research na inactive na po pala ito. So, naggawa po kami ng paraan na ma-reactivate ito. And now, isinulot po natin ito sa pangalan ng school natin ngayon. Kasi po, ang Colegio de Santa Catalina de Sena ay Santa Catalina College na po. Ito po yata nung maging PASCO accredited na. So now, we have our Alumni Association known as Santa Catalina College Binal Laguna Alumni Association Inc. And noong pong General Assembly last May 25th this year, we had an election of the Board of Trustees and including the officers. At ang naging officers na po ay yours truly, the President. And we have the Vice President for Internal Affairs, si Irene Bernesa. Si Atty. Ramon Casano po, batch 70, ang Vice President for Internal Affairs. secretary ko ay si Rachel Manlapat. Treasurer, Dean Susan Menjola. Assistant Treasurer, Edgardo Hebron. Auditor, Engineer Nomer. And the PROs, your classmate and your batchmate, si Ariel Lopez de Leon. So, ang hinihiling po lang namin, supportahan niyo po ang ating association because we have a lot of projects, especially to our brothers and sisters who are less fortunate. And again, I want to congratulate you for this event and the organizers for a job well done.
Thank you, Ms. Emma. Please accept our humble token. Maraming po salamat.
Yes. Thank you, ma'am. Happy na talaga. Okay.